Hi guys, Sophie here and welcome to my Morocco vlog. It's my first time here and we're staying in Casablanca for the next 2 days before heading to Fez, and this is just a quick overview of our Airbnb, which is really pretty and I love that it's right in front of the tram spot. This trip is packed with a couple of day trips and activities, so I hope you enjoy, and without further ado, let's get into the video.
Tomorrow is 26. Bon appétit.
Thank you.
Excited? Let's try this. It's a mosque. That's why we are here, to show you the inside of this mosque. Each mosque has necessary. How they join pieces. Come on. This is called
The sitting. Look at the sitting.
only to pray or to study.
The part of the shell. After they spit it out the nuts.
Have a sit for a while.
Up. Second hand, they're outside in the main streets between. Look at the back of the skin, it's white.
I'm meant to shoot right now, but it's raining. Checked the weather forecast earlier and it's meant to be sunny. Weather forecast wise, a lot. So I don't know. I'm just going to wait a little more, then come back here and try to film. Let me show you my view.
With lemon and the mushroom soup.
Mashallah.
Good morning. We're on the way to our first store in Marrakech, and it's a street food tour. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
Ça, c'est notre marché local. Et les gilets, ça va. Et après, on va même goûter. On met le chapeau et après on a l'huile essentielle.
Russian.